Hey YouTubers, so I have another pepper video right now. Yes, another pepper video, not pecker video right now. Yes, peppers not peckers, corn not porn, whatever the hell. Yeah, whatever the hell in general. Saying hell a lot, yeah, hell, whatever the hell. So enough of that crap. So now I have dumb, 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 dumb. One ghost pepper. Yes, pepper, not pecker, being silly ass like a big ass cigar. So, yes, one ghost pepper, so not pecker. Anyway, let's see how hot this is. I've had these for a while now. Hopefully they're not stale. They've been sitting in a bag, a closed bag. Here we go. Ooh! Damn. Damn. Ooh, shit. My tolerance is high right now. I have the milk just in case. I have the milk. Yeah, I have the milk just in case. Right now it's like a 1. Maybe a 2. I know Merc got sick on these. He actually got sick once on these. These ghost peppers by Wicked Tickle. He got sick on these. Yeah, at the most 1 a day. Anything more than that give you cramps. Yeah, cramps. So, about a 2. Yeah, not too hot. I wonder if they're getting a little bit stale. They're dried peppers, not peckers. And, yeah, corn, not porn. Whatever the hell. I wonder how long it takes for them to get stale. Maybe Merc knows. Yeah, I'd say it's like a 2 right now. Like a 2. So far, no need for milk. Big ass milk like the big ass cigar. Yeah, it's about as spicy as a habanero right now. A habanero. Yeah, that. Maybe a 3. Maybe a 3. A 2 or a 3 at the most. But my tolerance is pretty high right now. Been eating that ghost that Tabasco scorpion sauce. Sorry. Yeah, Tabasco scorpion sauce, and also eating a lot of habaneros. Yeah. Yeah, about a 2. Ghost peppers do have a very long-lasting effect. They have a very long-lasting effect. They last for a long time. The capsaicin does. I hope they're not getting stale because I paid $6 for them or $7 for them on Amazon. Yeah, it's about a 2. The sides of my tongue, especially. The sides of my tongue. Yeah, the base of my tongue. Not as hot as that Dragon's Breath pepper. That thing was hot. Yeah, this is totally doable. Hopefully no cramps later, because that would really suck in general. Really suck in general. Excuse me, I burped. I'm a pig. Yeah, it's about a 1 or 2 now. I guess farted. Yes, big ass farts for life. I guess farted. Yeah, it's starting to go down. I think it's at its peak. At its peak, it was probably a 3. And they say don't eat these plain, but honestly, it's totally doable. Now, if you're not a chili head, this would easily be a 10. This would easily be a 10. But if you are a chili head, this is totally doable. Yeah, probably about a 2 right now. The bottom of my tongue, the side of my tongue, about a 2. In the end, I didn't need the milk. Yeah, Merc got a super hot one of these. It made him really sick. So I hope I don't get sick later because I have to go to work tomorrow. So that really suck if I had to call it sick to work because I got sick on a pepper, not a pecker. Yeah. Have a nice day. Bye bye.